So hi, hello. Again, this is my second video about Morris Health. So Morris Health is the art of health. So many people asking who is the founder of Morris Health. So now Morris Health is from France. So Morris is a former commune of the Jura department in Burgundy, France, community in eastern France. On January 1, 2016, it was merged into the new commune of Haute-Vienne. The town is mostly known for the manufacture of spectacles. From 1680 to 1920, Morris was with Morbier the center of Comto's clock production. So this information is from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. So now Morris Health was started May 15, 2016. So since this is a new one, but this Morris Health was started to expand the whole world. So in fact, we already have 9 countries here. So this phone number is the phone number of guiders already started early here. So next is I will discuss you how to start this program, so and how to earn. Okay, this is how to start or how it works. Okay, Morris Health, how it works. Okay, the main benefits of signing up is here. You can read here. So in fact, okay, Morris Health is not a bank. Morris Health does not collect your money. So Morris Health is not an online business, okay, like Hayek investment or MLM program. So you can read all the important or basic knowledge here. Okay. Next, you need to register. Okay. This is about the health growth. Okay, we have two kinds of health growth. First is the growth value 1, next is the growth value 2. So the growth value 1 is 100% monthly, but the commitment needs is from $10 up to $8,000 or $800. Sorry. Okay, and the growth value 2 is 120% per month, and the commitment is $810 up to $5,000 maximum. Okay. This is a working income. Okay, working income is you can also learn about direct referral or direct bonus, 5%, and also a guider bonus. So guider bonus, 10 guider, so you have 5% in level 1. So 10 guider, it means that you have already a direct referral of 10, then you get 5% of yes, investment provided. Okay, and if you reach 100 guider, or you already have 100 guider in your downline, so you get 4% on level 2. So 1000 guider, 3% on level 3, 10,000 guider, 2% on level 4, 100,000 guider, 1% on level 5, unlimited debt, 0.05% up to level 6. Okay. Also we have a speed bonus. So many people asking about what speed bonus all about. Okay, speed bonus is when you complete, confirm, provide help before 24 hours, you will get 5% speed bonus. So like for example, you already have a recipient of your provide help. So if they will send you a money, and then you will confirm it as soon as earlier, so you get 5% bonus as a speed bonus. Okay, so many onliner or investor asking me how this program works and how this program sustained. Okay, if you see this words, so this is a recommitment, no? Okay, recommitment is before you can get a donation or get help, you need to recommend the same amount from your first provide help. Okay, so this is a term and condition, so you just read what terms and condition all about, so you can read this in your dashboard. Okay, so this is the company email, and this is a contact form. So in fact we have a chat support. Okay, so next is the registration. Okay, so first you need to register. Okay, first is put your full name, and then enter your valid mobile number. So it means that you put your valid mobile number is because if you receive a recipient, so sometimes the recipient will contact you that your provide help was already dispatched. Okay, enter your valid email too, and password, enter password. Also, don't forget to put my email here, so as your sponsor ID, morris.helps@gmail.com. So at the same time, so country, so put your country here, where country you came from. Also enter your email here. So but aside the password and email, don't forget to put your secret pin here. Okay, confirm your secret pin. Okay, secret pin is very important because this secret pin was needed when you getting a help soon. Okay, and then click agree the term and condition, and then create an account. So next, after creating an account, you just log in. Okay, so click log in here. Okay, so after clicking or clicking the login button, you just type your email here. Next is your password, and then click login. Okay, okay, after clicking login, you just see your dashboard. Okay, your dashboard here. Okay, this account my referral, she has giving a donation north of $20. Okay, so if you want to give or to give a donation, you just click here, provide help, or giving a donation or give donation. So if you want to start like my referral that she start $20, so you just click give donation and just type $20 or what kind of amount you like to start. So next, after 1 month, since we get 100 or 120% in 1 month, so after 1 month, you just click get donation if you want to get your income or your profit here, or your money here. Just click here, then after clicking here, okay, okay, after clicking here, you just see the release balance and also the unreleased balance too. Okay, so release balance, it means that your money was already confirmed and it will add here. So release balance, it means that available for withdrawal or available for get help. Unreleased balance is unavailable for get help. Just for example, you have a referral, then she started to invest. So if her investment is not already confirmed yet, so it will available here, the unreleased balance. Okay, And if you want to type your BTC address, just click BTC address, the address where you want the recipient or the sender send the Bitcoin. So click here and then type your BTC address here, and also the amount, what kind or of amount you want to get help. So, and also type your secret pin here. So this is a very secure program. You know why? Because no other person or hacker can withdraw your money except you. So because you already you only the one who hold or you memorize your secret pin as well. Okay, and then click submit. Okay, after submitting it, you just wait for 24 to 48 hours, and you receive money from the recipient. Okay, next is if you want to see your downline, so click user. Okay, you just click here. Okay, click click user, and then click straight candidate. So straight candidate, it means your first level. You can see here. So order direct referrals, and my crow candidate is your second level, third level, or downline infinity. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this button donation is, you can also click here, so you can see your donation history here, and also your gift donation history here. Okay, income summary is your income from commission, referral, and also your growth income, the growth of your money you provide, the growth of your money you provide, help. Okay, your balance is your total balance from a commission of referral, and also your growth. Okay, so support, we also have a chat support, online chat support, and then use. Okay, next is if you see here in the right side, you see here. Okay, I was trying to click here. Okay, this portion. Okay, if you see a number of notifications here, it means that you receive a notification, like for example here. So receive pending fund reception, meaning to say that I already have a recipient from the money that I provide. Okay, the money provided. Okay, so this, you have to make a donation, so it means that you need to donate, the recipient need help. Okay, and then if you receive funds after getting help, so if you need to confirm, so you just see here a notification. Okay, so this program is very great for me, because this is a strong and unique script, and also I really like the security of this website. So hope that this video will help a lot of newbie here who want to join here. Okay, since this is 2 days from the launch, so this is a right timing to start here and build referrals, so that we earn a true passive income lifetime. Okay, thank you for your watching this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and then if you want to sign up, so you just link here. So you see your referral link here. So if you want to sign up my link, you just see the description below of this YouTube video, and then you find my link, so that you can see my link, and then you will be my downline as I am your sponsor too. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.